When you're knee-deep in a plumbing job and that stubborn pipe just won't budge, one tool stands between frustration and victory: the pipe wrench. It's the backbone of plumbing work, the muscle behind every twist and turn. But not all pipe wrenches are built the same. Some are heavy and slow you down, others slip right when you need them most. What you really need is a tool that grips strong, feels balanced, and lasts through years of punishment. So today, we're counting down the 5 best pipe wrenches that bring power, precision, and reliability straight to your toolkit. Whether you're a pro plumber or a weekend warrior fixing up at home, these are the ones worth your time. Let's get started. Number 5. Performance Tool W1133-10B, best for light household jobs. Let's start with something compact and handy: the Performance Tool W1133-10B. This 10-inch pipe wrench might look modest, but for smaller plumbing repairs, it's a gem. Built from forged steel with precision-cut teeth, it offers dependable bite without chewing up your fittings. It's perfect for tightening or loosening smaller pipes, valves, or couplings where you don't need a massive wrench getting in the way. One thing that stands out here is its balanced design. Despite being made of steel, it doesn't feel overly heavy in hand. The knurled adjustment nut spins smoothly, letting you fine-tune the jaw opening fast. Something every DIYer will appreciate when working in tight corners or under sinks. The handle features a textured grip for extra control, and the jaw opens wide enough to take on pipes up to about 1.5 inches in diameter. That's more than enough for most residential repairs, and whether it's fixing a leaky faucet connection, swapping out a shower line, or working on a garden hose joint. While professionals might reserve this one for smaller, quick tasks, homeowners love it for its reliability and simplicity. No gimmicks, no unnecessary bulk, just a straightforward wrench that works every time. It's also remarkably affordable, making it a smart addition to your home toolkit. Compact, durable, and ready to go when you need it. That's the Performance Tool W1133-10B. Number 4. Snapper 274001SM, best for lightweight control. Next up, we've got a wrench that blends portability with performance. The Snapper 274001SM 11-inch aluminum adjustable wrench. Now, this one isn't your traditional heavy steel pipe wrench. It's crafted from high-strength aluminum, which means it's nearly half the weight of standard models without losing torque or bite. That difference matters when you're spending hours twisting fittings above your head or working in awkward positions. The design here is sleek and functional. The jaws are finely machined, giving you a tight, slip-resistant grip even on older, worn-down pipes. The adjustment wheel feels smooth yet firm. It doesn't drift once set, which is crucial when you're applying heavy torque. The lightweight body reduces fatigue dramatically, and the slim handle fits nicely in the palm. Whether you're tightening brass fittings, adjusting couplings, or assembling irrigation lines, it feels precise and comfortable. Professionals often carry one of these for quick jobs. It's light enough to toss into a tool pouch, strong enough to take on tough work, and because it's aluminum, you don't need to worry about rust or corrosion. A real plus if you're working outdoors or in humid spaces. For anyone who values comfort, balance, and control, this wrench is a quiet overachiever. It's the kind of tool that reminds you lightweight doesn't mean weak. It means smart engineering. The Snapper 274001SM proves that even a compact adjustable wrench can pack a professional punch. Number 3. MAXPOWER 24-inch aluminum pipe wrench. Best value for heavy-duty work. When you need something that can handle the big stuff, this one's got your back. The MAXPOWER 24-inch aluminum pipe wrench is designed for serious torque and stubborn joints that just won't give in. At 24 inches long, it gives you the leverage you need for thicker, rusted pipes. Yet, thanks to its aluminum body, it weighs about 40% less than traditional steel wrenches of the same size. That's a major advantage for plumbers who carry their tools all day. The jaws are precision milled and heat-treated, giving them the bite to lock firmly onto pipes up to 3 inches wide. They won't slip, they won't strip, and they stay sharp after repeated use. Another highlight is the I-beam handle design. It's strong but ergonomic, with contours that make it comfortable even during extended use. You get solid torque transfer without hand strain, exactly what you need when working under pressure. The adjustment nut turns smoothly, and the self-cleaning threads prevent grit from clogging the mechanism, a small but important detail that extends the life of the wrench. In use, it just feels balanced. That's why the MAXPOWER 24-inch is such a favorite among contractors. Dependable performance at a price that doesn't hurt. For anyone tackling big household repairs, pipe installations, or mechanical projects, this model delivers the power you want with the weight you don't. It's the heavy-duty workhorse that earns its keep. Number 2. RATECH 24-inch aluminum straight pipe wrench, best for durability and precision. Coming in at number 2, the RATECH 24-inch aluminum straight pipe wrench is all about toughness and precision in one package. It's built for professionals who demand performance that lasts day in and day out. The aluminum construction keeps it light, just about 60% lighter than cast iron models, yet it's built strong enough for industrial-grade use. That's a perfect blend for anyone who values efficiency without compromise. Its jaw teeth are precision machined and induction hardened for maximum grip. They bite cleanly into the pipe without marring it, and they maintain that sharpness through thousands of turns. Even oily or muddy fittings won't slip. The self-cleaning threads on the adjustment nut are smooth and consistent, which means quick changes and fewer jams on site. Plus, the wide opening handles pipes up to 3 inches in diameter, enough for residential plumbing, mechanical work, and even small commercial jobs. One small but thoughtful feature, the head angle. It's designed for better line of sight when aligning the wrench on a fitting. You'll find yourself getting into tight spaces more easily, especially around corners or close to walls. RATECH didn't stop at just performance. They also gave this wrench a high visibility blue finish. Drop it in the dark under a sink or behind a water heater and you'll still spot it instantly. If you want the reliability of an industrial-grade tool with the comfort of an ergonomic one, the RATECH 24-inch wrench checks all the boxes. Powerful, lightweight, and purpose-built, it's easily one of the smartest picks on the market. Number 1. RIDGID 31105 Model 24, best overall. And now, the top spot goes to the legend itself. The RIDGID 31105 Model 24 aluminum straight pipe wrench. When professionals talk about the gold standard in pipe wrenches, this is the one they mean. RIDGID has been making tools for over a century, and their pipe wrenches are practically the industry benchmark. This 24-inch model shows exactly why. The build quality is exceptional. The body is made from aircraft-grade aluminum. Light enough for all-day use but tough enough to handle extreme torque without flexing. It's roughly 40% lighter than the cast iron version, yet it delivers the same power and durability. The jaws are precision-forged alloy steel with deeply grooved teeth that maintain bite even under wet or greasy conditions. They grip hard and stay aligned, which means no slipping, no rounding, no wasted effort. One detail users love is how balanced it feels. The weight distribution is perfect. You can feel the control in every twist. That's a big deal when you're working overhead or in tight crawl spaces. The adjustment mechanism is silky smooth, and the self-cleaning threads keep dirt and debris from jamming it up. Even after years of heavy use, it keeps turning like new. What also sets RIDGID apart is consistency. Every wrench is tested for accuracy and torque performance. These things are built to last decades. Many plumbers still use their first RIDGID from the 90s. It's also compatible with RIDGID replacement jaws, so when the teeth eventually wear down, you can restore it to factory performance instead of tossing it. So yes, it costs a bit more, but it's an investment that pays you back with every turn. For professionals, for serious DIYers, for anyone who demands the best, the RIDGID 31105 stands at the top of the mountain. And that's our list of the top 5 best pipe wrenches. Tools built to grip harder, last longer, and make every job smoother. From the compact performance tool, W1133-10B for quick home fixes, to the rugged MAXPOWER and RATECH 24-inch workhorses, and finally, the unbeatable RIDGID 31105. Each wrench earns its place with a mix of strength, comfort, and trustworthiness. A good pipe wrench isn't just a tool, it's a partner. It saves your knuckles, your patience, and sometimes your entire day. So, choose the one that fits your work style and start tackling those pipes with confidence. That's all for today's countdown. If you found this helpful, stay tuned. We've got more gear breakdowns coming soon. Until next time, keep it tight, keep it solid, and keep building.